guy just bought a new drone. Huh? Hey. Basically, we have the same color of shirts. Alright, we're gonna go to a place where we're gonna test our drone. It's the Mavic Air 2 and my drone, Mavic Mini. Let's go. Arrived in one place here where it was so quiet, but then now it's super crowded. I don't know why, maybe because of the pandemic and all the people were stressed. They want to go out and just have fun here. So my friend Aan here, he just bought a new drone, Dji Mavic Air 2, because of he watched the video from Sam Calder. And now we're gonna test it out. Dji Mavic Air 2 x Dji Mavic Mini, which is mine. It's exhausting. It's so tall. So freaking steep. Wow. It's crazy. It was just like only 5 people here and the goats all over on the hill right there, but now it's so freaking crowded. Damn, I don't know why, but the power of social media, when you upload the contents or photos or video and it's freaking good, that place will be super crowded after that. Alright, it's still in the box. Damn! Damn! The feeling when you open the box, it's just amazing when you open the box of the drone. Especially this one, the brand new drone from DJI Mavic, DJI. It's Mavic Air 2. It's freaking good, dang. It's unable to take off because we need to update the firmware first, right here, before we take off. We have 2 drones right here. This one is DJI Mavic Mini, and this one is the controller. And then we have DJI Mavic Air 2 controllers here, and that one is a drone. Raining and everyone is going back to home. Yeah, hope you like this video, and you can compare between DJI Mavic Mini and DJI Mavic Air 2 in terms of quality of the video.